The Mercedes E320 diesel is a lot like our Sprinter vans, so today the van man's going to be the Florida sedan man. This car looks really nice and we were thinking we might buy it, but Mike wanted to look under the cover before we made any decisions.
Oh, spliced wires here. That's not good at all. This thing's never gonna run right. This thing's gonna need a new.
Good thing you pulled that cover off.
Leaking right out of here. You can see the smoke around.
The important lesson here is don't get caught up by the pretties just because everything looks great, sounds great. Peek under the covers before you commit to it. At least that's what my dad said before I got married.
These harnesses can't be spliced like this.
So this is a nice looking car and it sounded good too. If we didn't take that cover off, things might have gone badly. Did we buy it?